Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to make an underbed storage unit for VHS tapes. I built this for a friend of mine who's a 90s kid that held on to her VHS collection. She asked if I had an idea about how she could store the tapes, and that's how this project came about. I wanted to make this affordable and doable with minimal tools. To make the base, we're going to be using two 2x4 feet OSB project panels. We'll also be using 4 8-foot 2x4s and 2 sets of appliance casters. These are all reasonably priced items with all the materials costing $65 for the 2 units. The only cuts needed are on the 2x4s, cutting 4 at 48 inches and 4 at 27 inches. I'm using a miter saw, but really any saw will do. To assemble, I placed our 2 Husky work tables together and laid out the design. I cut the long edges, then the short edges. Once everything was cut, I sanded to make sure it was a little smoother. But I'm not going for perfect here, as these are just going to be stored under the bed. OSB is a great inexpensive option for the bases, but it can be a little uneven and it can have a strong odor, which is why I'm lightly sanding and will be using a primer on the top and bottom to help with the smell. To attach the 2x4s, I'm going to use pocket holes and wood glue. Here I'm adding pocket holes to the long sides. I loosely put in the pocket holes, then added glue to the base and added the frame on top. Mom was out of town in Orlando during this, which made this a little bit of a struggle, and I got glue on my shirt. So I tried a different technique for the second one. But to finish this one, I secured the screws and added clamps and let it dry overnight. The next day, I took the clamps off and put the appliance casters on the ground to test the design. These casters are used for what they're named after. They're made to move appliances or heavy items back and forth, but they are relatively inexpensive compared to regular casters and are low profile, so they're perfect for underbed storage. For the second unit, I glued the sides, then put the wood around it, then added the pocket hole screws. Here's a closer look at the appliance casters. I ordered these from HomeDepot.com and they are adjustable in length, so I set them to their longest position. I was a little concerned about the base not being attached to the sides with anything but glue. I decided to add 2 pieces of wood that would go across the entire width of the bottom to add a little extra structural support, and it would also help keep the casters in place. I glued and brad nailed them in place. I used Kilt's primer to seal the top and bottom of each unit. Then I finished the bottom with a brown paint and the sides and top with a light gray. With all that dry, I took it to my friend's house to put it in place. I simply placed the unit on top of the casters and easily wheeled them both under the bed. These are a little bit louder than typical casters, so if you're going to be using them frequently, you might want to keep that in mind. And of course, we had to fill them up with her VHS collection. Now, you don't have to just put VHS tapes in these. You can also store pretty much anything. And her dog was just passing by. You can see it's a really nice low profile and stores perfectly under this platform bed frame. As I said at the start, both units come in at $65 in materials and needs very minimal cuts and tools. If you don't have a vintage VHS collection, what would you store in these underbed units? Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.